Hello everyone! In today's episode, we'll cover everything you need to know about vitamin C. In this episode, I will introduce you to vitamin C and some of its most positive benefits for your skin. We'll also go over some of the most commonly asked questions regarding this healthy ingredient. Is it safe for daily use? And how soon can you start expecting to see changes in your skin? I will also show you how I incorporate vitamin C infused products into my everyday routine and show you some of my favorites. So if you want to know how to get all the benefits of vitamin C, keep watching. Welcome to Beauty Talks with Rashad, the show that will guide you into perfecting your skincare routine. My goal is to help you understand the what, how, and why of all things beauty and hopefully help you make the best choices for your skin. Today's topic is all about vitamin C. Vitamin C has numerous benefits. Its biggest, most well-known is its ability to prevent aging, which is one of the biggest concerns in the skincare industry. Vitamin C has the ability to prevent certain signs of aging on the face, such as wrinkles, fine lines, dark circles, and spots. Let's dive deeper into that. Vitamin C stimulates collagen production, which helps keep the skin firm and healthy, and finds harmful toxins that can cause these signs of premature aging. Another one of vitamin C's great benefits is the fact that it has been proven to be capable of reducing the production of melanin, which in turn leads to a more clarified complexion. By extension, vitamin C also fades dark and pigmented spots. Now let's go over some of the most commonly asked questions about vitamin C. Can I use vitamin C infused products on a daily basis? The short answer is yes. To add to the numerous benefits it has, vitamin C is completely safe to use on a daily basis without any risk of causing irritation or damage to your skin. However, this does not mean that you should apply big amounts of vitamin C all at once. Follow the instructions that come with each product to get the most appropriate dose. Does vitamin C actually work for all ages? Should I implement it into my daily routine? Vitamin C is perfectly suitable for all age groups and can very easily be implemented into your daily skincare routine. Due to its fame in the beauty industry, vitamin C is already present in a lot of widely available skincare products. When will I start seeing its benefits on my skin? As it is with every skincare routine, consistency is key. Using vitamin C in your routine on a regular basis can provide you with positive results as early as the first couple of weeks. With that said, it's time to tell you a little about my favorite vitamin C infused range of products, BB Clear Vitamin C. I've noticed that vitamin C has always been especially beneficial for my skin, so I'm always on the lookout for better products that include it. What's convenient about this product range in particular is that it has practically everything, so you can easily find all your skincare needs in one place. It consists of 9 products, and each serves a unique purpose. However, using them together will emphasize and enhance the results. In order to give you a clear guide on how I use these products and what exactly each of them does, I'll take you through my daily routine from start to finish. My skincare routine always begins in the shower. There, I start with a couple of products. The first is the BB Clear Vitamin C Clarifying Shower Gel. It cleans well and it smells amazing. But on top of that, the added vitamin C makes it much more effective at cleansing the skin of impurities and eliminating pigmentation. A small extra step that I like to incorporate from time to time is to also use the BB Clear Vitamin C Exfoliating Shower Gel. I think it's really important to exfoliate from time to time in order to remove accumulated dead skin cells and to rejuvenate your skin. Using an exfoliating shower gel 2 to 3 times a week should be more than enough. After my skin is cleansed, I clean my face with BB Clear Vitamin C Clarifying Soap. Your face, like your body, needs cleansing, so it's essential to also add a smooth, gentle soap into your routine. Once I'm done cleaning my face and my body, I move on to treatment. I use the BB Clear Vitamin C oil for my body and the serum for my face. These two are a crucial part for the process, as they nourish your skin inside and out and prepare it for the products to come. They are also really effective at fading pigmented spots and just generally unifying the skin tone. For particularly troubling areas like my underarms and elbows, I use the BB Clear Vitamin C Dark Spot Remover. Dark spot removers are often overlooked in skincare routines, but I make sure to always use mine to brighten the more difficult spots on my body. After that, we can move to the final step in my skincare routine, hydration. I use the BB Clear Vitamin C cream for my face and the lotion for my body. They're similar in function as they both moisturize and hydrate the skin. They also protect it from environmental damage and other harmful factors. Sometimes I like to reapply some cream throughout my day to freshen up, so I always keep a tube of the cream in my purse. And that's it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning a bit more about this unique ingredient, and I hope that you'll make use of its benefits. If you'd like to learn more about using cosmetics and beauty products and the steps necessary to maintain a radiant, hydrated skin, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing. Take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!